In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Turkish and Memrise. If you want to learn Turkish with Memrise, then your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Turkish like a local. Start by opening the free Memrise account and searching for Turkish courses. It finds thousands of authentic video lessons to help you learn Turkish, featuring the exact words you've just learned. Memrise teaches you Turkish vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. It provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Turkish learning. Courses focus on building your vocabulary with useful words and phrases. You'll learn common expressions, greetings, and everyday terms. Memrise uses spaced repetition to help reinforce memory. Words and phrases will be reintroduced at optimal intervals, enhancing retention. You can track your progress on leaderboards, set daily goals, and earn points for completing lessons to stay motivated. While Memrise is great for vocabulary, consider using resources such as Turkish books, podcasts, or language apps for comprehensive learning. If you want to access additional features, you can choose the Memrise Pro plan. The platform may not provide sufficient cultural context or usage scenarios for phrases, which can be important for understanding the language subtleties. The spaced repetition system emphasizes memorization, which may not lead to practical conversational skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.